Hi, I'm Steven from One-Click LCA, and today we'll talk about the Green Materials Benchmarks feature. With this feature, you can benchmark products against each other. How the benchmarks in our system work is that you have materials which belong to a category, like insulation, and usually also a subcategory, like glass wool insulation. With this function, you can compare all the materials within a specific subcategory. We can access the Green Materials Benchmark feature in three places, either using the filters, using the direct benchmarks, or on the results page. The filters is if you open a project and you click on the CO2 filter, you can check how the categories are devised based on their contribution to the overall benchmarks. If we open a data card, you can open the environmental profile and click on the See Full Ranking, and this opens the full benchmark. The full benchmark then allows you to actually check, for example, what products are available actually to you, what products are available in neighboring countries, or what are the overall products available. For the benchmark that I have here, the external walls and floors concrete, we see that we access the entire benchmark of plus A2, CML, and Tracy data. If I then check where my product lies right now, I can decide that I want to perhaps find better performing concrete in the UK. I can check the benchmark, then I can say that what I want to display is below my benchmark, and then it will load all the products which are applicable to my benchmark criteria. And you can of course also do this, for example, for the neighboring countries, or you can even do this for all the products around the globe. This type of benchmark categories are available for the majority of them. And besides this benchmark, we can also navigate to the result page. On the results page, we have always the top 25 most contributing materials, and this accesses the same green material benchmarks. If we have, for example, the concrete that we just talked about, we can click on the Show Sustainable Alternatives, and it will show me options that I might want to replace them with.